Sensei here with another investing video. Today's topic, targeting PLTR high IV. Let's dive in. PLTR is one of the major players in the AI race. The one-year forecast for PLTR option stocks are all over the place, similar to Tesla. So if we go to Palantir stock forecast and price target and take a look here, you will see that it has an estimation as low as $9 and as high as $35. Because of this wide range, it creates a high IV in the options, put options and for the call options. This is my position with PLTR. I have 500 share at 17.09 average cost. The total return is currently positive by 25%. On top of that, I like to play option strategy on PLTR to collect as much as I can from the high IV. I have been working the option on PLTR for over 2 years, and I will share some of the recent trades. Let's take a look at the options that I currently have. The first one is a PLTR $25 call that expires in 1 month. As you can see, the average credit that I received was $207. And if I wanted to buy to close right now, it's gonna cost me $16 only, so that's a return of $191. I am gonna leave it open until it gets expired on June 21st. You can see the volume, the open interest. The second option that I have is the PLTR $20 put that I have sold it, expiring in October 16. I have collected an average of 1.28 or 128 per contract. Currently it's negative, it's -10, but I'm not worried about it. I just sold it and PLTR went down for 2 days in a row, and that's no big deal for me. If PLTR continue to go down, I probably will open another 5. The third option that I have in my account is PLTR $30 call, and it's a 4 contract. If we take a look here, the current price for it is $139. I have collected $190. I have opened this contract on December 18, 2023. As you can see, it's 26% positive plus 200 unrealized gain, and still it has 556 in it. Let's check the fourth option that I have on PLTR. I have sold PLTR $20 put. I have sold it for $279. Currently it's valued at $257, which means I'm slightly positive. The fourth option in my account is PLTR $20 put that expire on January of next year. I have received a credit of $279 per contract, so it's slightly green right now. The last one, the fifth and final option in my account, is a PLTR call debit spread. As you can see, I have bought the $12 and sold the $20. Here you can see my average cost is $389. and it's currently 555, meaning I'm positive by 42%. Let's take a look at PLTR options. When I'm playing any option strategy on any stock, I always like to start by selling a put. So let's take a look at a few examples. If we change it to a put and change it to a sell, I do not like to sell a weekly or 2 weekly. I only sell for a few months. So taking a look here, what I will be interested in maybe August 16. So if I scroll down and take a look at the $20 strike put, as you can see right now from the -5, I already have 5 contract open. The $20 put strike will give protection about -13%, meaning the stock have to go down 13% or more for you to start losing money. You can see the volume for the option that have been traded today, which is 2,500. And you can see the open interest is 10,000 something. That's really good. That means this option is liquid. You can get in and out without losing a lot of premium. At this moment, selling the $20 put option will generate $140. Doing a quick math by dividing the 140 divided on the 20 minus the 140 that were received, that's 1860. That means it will generate 7.5 return in 3 months. So divide that on 3 months, that's 2.5 return per month. That's absolutely great, while having a 13% protection for the downside. That is amazing. Okay, so let's go to the spreadsheet and show you some of my examples during the last few years and how much I was able to make. So here you can see on May 30, 2023, I bought 5 poor man cover call. I bought the 10 and I sold the $16 call, and I paid for $2,450 for the 5 contract. And then on June 1st I bought another 5 poor man cover calls, same strike, same deal, and I paid $2,375. On July 19, 2023, I just sold all of my contract to close for $6,600. that leave me with $1,775 pure profit. That was really great based on very small period, like it was total 2 months. Another example is on June 6, 2023, I sold 2 put credit spread 15 over $10 that expiring on July 21st for $200. On June 20, I sold 5 cover puts on the 15 strike price that also expire on July 21st for $600. All of these expire out of the money, generating $800 for me. That was just absolutely amazing. I continue on July 11 and I sold 1 cover call that for $14. By the way, I included the price range for that day when I open and when I close, or when the option expired. I'm not gonna go through all the details for every single option, but you can pause the video and take a look for all these other trade and how much credit it generate, how much credit I had to pay to close them. I continue to generate income from me selling these puts without them getting activated. Like rarely get activated. This one get activated on me, but then I sold a cover call for $15, same price, but I collect premium and it's activated again and gets sold. So basically I bought it for $15, I sold it for $15, but I generated premium 2 times. First time when I sold the put, $128, and the second time when I sold the cover call, $46. Some of the credit is absolutely amazing. As you can see here, like the total was $1,042, $125. Here is just a quick 2 trade that generated $136. This was like I only hold it for a few days. And lastly here I generated $1,118 from these 3 trades. I'm very bullish on PLTR and I absolutely love the company. They are doing amazing thing with AI, and I think they're gonna keep on growing and the price will keep fluctuating, but hopefully going up slowly over time. There's nothing wrong with getting assigned. So for example, on May 17 I have 300 share that I was doing as a trade. I received from one of the puts at much lower price and I was able to roll it over a few times, and then I let it get assigned at the price of $20, and I sold the 300 share for $6,000 minus the fee, minus Robinhood fee, and the price at expiration was 21.76. I was able to easily roll it over, but basically selling a new put on the price of 20 will generate bigger return than just rolling the $20 call, and I didn't mind these 300 being sold. I still have 500 that I hope to hold for the long term. Since PLTR price has dropped in the last few months, I actually think this is very great opportunity to sell a lot of puts on it at various strike, anywhere between $15 to $20. It will be absolutely amazing. If the price continue to go down, you can either roll it over or you can let it assign and then own the stocks for lower price than right now. Please share with me your experience about PLTR. Did you play the stock? Did you play the option? What kind of option did you play? How long do you normally sell the PLTR options for? I would like to hear from you. As always, the information provided in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be constructed as a financial advice. Investing involving risk, including the potential loss of principal. If you find this video to be helpful, please press on the thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and see you in the next video.